Morning, guys. Happy Monday. So I am posting some of these answers for this last assignment that I gave you in case you have any questions. So for x is greater than 0, which of the following expressions is equivalent to this particular expression? So what you have to first do is you have to just use your exponent rules, right? And so let me see, I wrote it down here, right? So this here is a 2/5 exponent, and this here is a 1, right? Because if there's nothing there, it's a 1. If you'd like to write it as 5/5, that would be easier because you are going to have to subtract these, and this way they have, like denominators, right? Just in case you missed that. This is the same thing as 1, so anything to the 1 power, right, is itself. They're the same base, so that's why you can just subtract the exponents. So this is going to be 3x. I'm a little blurry here. 3x to the power of, if I have 2/5 and I subtract 5/5, that gives me -3/5. All right, now I want to find out which of the following are equivalent to that. So that's one of the solutions is E, right? Because it's 3x to the -3/5, right? So E is one of the answers. But how else can I write this? I can also write this as 1/3x, right, to the +3/5, right? Which can also be written as exponent over index, right? So exponent over index, that means it's the 5th root of 3x cubed. Oops, this is supposed to be 5. The 5th root, right? Exponent over index. The 5th root is the index. The exponent is cubed. So which options are those? So E is your answer, okay? C is an answer because this is the same thing as 1/3x to the +3/5. And then B is your answer because this is exponent over index, which is what I just wrote down. So this answer is B, C, E. So it's E, C, and B. Okay, now 2 and 3 are exactly the same. So if you have questions about 2 and 3, let me know. And then, let's see. Number 4, I think 4 was even easier. Okay, which one is equivalent? So I wrote that down. This was number 4. So this is equivalent to x to the -2 times 3 is -6. Over here, 1/4 times 8 is 8/4, which is 2. So it's x to the 2nd power. All right, and then you're just going to subtract exponents here. -6 minus 2 is x to the -8, which is not an option. But what's equivalent to x to the -8 is D. 1/x to the +8, right? I'll say that again. This is equivalent to 1/x to the +8. So your answer is D. 1/x to the +8. All right, and then this last one, this one is an extra credit that's going to be on your next test. So if you did not get it, don't worry about it. I'm not going to show you the answers right now because I wanted to see if you could figure it out. I just gave you a head start. But the hint that I gave you is make these bases the same. So rewrite this 4 as a base 2. Then you're going to use your exponent rules and you're going to figure out part A. And then you're going to also use exponent rules and you're going to try to figure out part B. Let's see, what other hint can I give you? All right, I'll give you one more little hint. If I had, let's just say I had 2 to the x, right? And then it's equal to 2 to the y. If these both things are equal and they're the same base, wouldn't that mean that x is equal to y? It would, right? 2 to the x equals 2 to the y. That means x would equal y. So if you have same bases and they're equal, that means their exponents are also equal. So there's another little hint. But again, it's just extra credit, so give it a try. All right, let me know if you have any questions about anything that we learned this past week because they will be on your test. Okay, have a good day.